Hello, my name is Neja, and in this video I will be talking about the process of setting up our collaborative course. And it all actually started in week 3 with the task to set up or to form our different teams. And as it turned out, we all had different ideas, but for our group, this was basically the main idea by Natasha, and that is to make a teacher training course. So we grouped around the idea and of course moved to week 4. Okay, and in week 4 we started working on syllabus. Basically week 4 is a crucial week for making a course, because simply once you set up a good syllabus, then in week 5 it is just putting a lot of or adding activities to the idea that you originally have. So where are we here? In our team. Okay. So we exchanged ideas, Kim, myself and Natasha, about different things, about objectives of the course, about editing. Our Google Docs contained the syllabus. We talked about logo, about abstract. So we talked, here was basically our main channel of communication. But as you can see, we really communicated a lot, not only here, but also when we moved to week 5. Okay, when we actually put our ideas into our separate topics, because that's how we divided our opportunity for teaching, Oppor-Teach course. Here is our teamwork policy, our course syllabus, and here are our 3 weeks. The first one is by Kim about web conferences, the second is mine, images and videos in education. I'm obviously obsessed by colors and images, I really like that side, and also by Natasha, a very interesting keep them motivated topic, or as we split it into weeks. It was really a great pleasure to work with Kim and Natasha. As I said, they really work fast and they really work hard, and they know a lot, and we really didn't have any problems with establishing goals, because we had the same aim going forward. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank them once again. Okay, and I'm looking forward to see other courses as well, because this whole experience, I think, made all of us work hard on our ideas. So I'm sure this is one of my wisest decisions to join the course. So good luck to everybody, and thank you for listening. Bye bye.